Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Amazulu 1. I'm joined by Upram Cho.
Sure, Steve.
Yeah.
I think we've got one problem. Problem here to must tell them a penalty. We don't score those penalties.
Yes.
So babanga ilona, babanga penalty. La payana. Meleba training in meleba train with ubando muto tata ma penalty because of then they would must tell penalty. Low fungi cab and low fungi cab. It is not right.
The
flop. Let's bulala yabona.
Yeah.
Siluza ma pointing and thing.
Sure.
But other than that, we move on, Baba. Siluza song swina song. Cross for life until we die.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.